Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to dive into one of the best tools you can have for clearing your yard, especially if you're tackling stubborn brush and small trees. If you're looking for something that can take care of the job quickly and efficiently, the Brush Grubber BG-20 Xtreme Plus Tree and Stump Remover is a top contender. Before we jump into all the features, I want to remind you that this is the best Grubex season-long grub killer. The Brush Grubber BG-20 Xtreme Plus is built for those tough tasks around your property. It's a heavy-duty tool designed specifically for removing small trees and brush with shallow roots. The strength of this tool comes from its powerful gripping teeth, which help you get a solid hold on the brush or tree, preventing it from slipping as you pull. Each puller pad has 5 large, durable teeth per side, and they rotate a full 360 degrees, so you can adjust to avoid debarking your trees. One of the standout features of the BG-20 is its tough steel construction. Weighing in at 37.6 pounds, it's solid, but also easy enough to handle by just one person. The handles are designed for comfort, made with rugged plastic to ensure you can maintain a solid grip even during the most challenging pulls. This product is made to withstand the wear and tear of tough landscaping jobs and can handle trees and brush up to 6 inches in diameter. The versatility of the BG-20 is also impressive. It can be attached to any ATV or lawn tractor, giving you that extra boost of power and efficiency. Whether you're working on a small garden or a larger property, you can get the job done faster and with less effort. The Brush Grubber is all about saving you time and labor, and it's designed to reduce the stress of clearing out brush and small trees. As for performance, it's an absolute powerhouse when it comes to clearing brush quickly and effectively. If you're looking to eliminate unwanted trees and regrowth, this is a tool that will not disappoint. Its spring-loaded jaws open wide to secure the tree or brush tightly, and the locking mechanism ensures that once it's gripped, it's not going anywhere. This allows you to focus on pulling with confidence and power. So, if you're ready to tackle your landscaping project with ease, the Brush Grubber BG-20 Xtreme Plus is a fantastic option to consider. It's durable, reliable, and makes clearing your property a whole lot easier. Whether you're a homeowner, landscaper, or gardener, this tool will serve you well for years to come. That wraps up our review of the Brush Grubber BG-20 Xtreme Plus. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.